He will just let it go.
Yep, Taylor's gonna let the turtle go
Oh,
tuck
yeah.
from Sis Hope and Uncle Gigi and Kuya Denzel.
Put it over here. Over here.
We can't put it down the creek?
No, not one.
Okay, put him there.
No, over here.
Say bye-bye, Tuck.
Be good.
See you in spring.
Be good.
Bye-bye.
Okay, that's a piece of glass, ain't it?
Okay, goodbye now, Tuck.
Take care of yourself.
We're all here to witness the release of the turtle. It's Mom and Dad.
Keep away from the bears.
Yeah.
And Mo and Ida. Bye, Tuck. Have a good life.
Have a good life.
That is, don't step on Tuck. And there's Taylor, and there's Raj, and the neighbor, Lawrence. He lives up on the hill. Well, bye, Tuck.
Bye, Tuck.